Jazz my hair up with some bows. Hi, it's me, Mariah. Hi, my name is Mariah Serenity Touches. And I'll tell you how to spell Serenity. S-E-R-E-N-I-T-Y. Hey guys, what's up, Mimi gang? So today, I'm going to be showing you how I do my own hair. Yep, my mom's not going to do my hair, I'm going to do my hair. So I'm going to make my hair into a bun, but if I can't do it, my mom's going to help me. And I also have this. I have some oil, but I'm not going to put some oil in my hair because yesterday my mom put in some oil because that's way too much oil. When I'm done making my hair, I'm going to put a headband, a JoJo bow. I can put whatever I want in my hair because I have a whole bin full of accessories. I can put a headband, I can put anything in my hair because I have so much stuff. But before I put the little bow in my hair or a little headband, I need to brush my baby hairs. Here's my little baby hairs. So I have some long little hair. I'm going to try because I really don't know. But yeah. So guys, I'm going to try my very best because I'm only 6 years old. I know it's not hard, but I'm going to try. Just once again, like I said, I'm going to try my very, very best. And if it's okay, it's okay. It's not like a competition where I have to do my hair very quickly or then like better than someone else because I don't have no one to defeat. So it's not a competition. I'm just going to do my hair by taking my time. So I'm going to try. You don't have to make it your very best way. You can make it your way how you make it. But my mom actually does my hair actually great, but so I'm going to be doing my hair by myself. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, well, first I have to get my dress. I'm just so excited. This is the only dress that I have. Well, this is not the only dress. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hair down. All my hair. Guys, all my hair down? Okay. So I'm going to hold some of my hair. I really don't know how to hold this. Okay. Oh, there we go. I just got it. This is turning out really funny. Back. Take this side of my hair. Oh my back hurting. I'm gonna try to twist the whole braid. I really don't know what this looks like. Oh, I think it's good. Getting good. Guys, is it getting good? Because I'm thinking that it's like getting good. Well, before I do that, I have to get my rubber band. Okay, let's see. I love this one. Okay, I got this one, guys. So, hold on. She's so funny. Okay, done. Ooh. Thanks. Okay, and okay. I can't even tie my hair. This is some. Wait, where's the rubber band? Oh my god. I gotta do it again. to brush my hair actually. Do my other side of my hair. Okay. Stick my hair. Okay. I'm gonna take. I can't see it. So I'm gonna get every single piece of my hair. Lift my hair up. Okay, there you go. Now I can't see. What the heck am I doing? The hair tie, the little tying part, my mom's gonna have to help me with. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm gonna go get a little hair tie. I love this little hair tie. Okay, I'm gonna try purple, pink, oh, pink. Okay. Oh my god. My hair. Okay, help me tie my hair. I need help tying my hair.
Okay.
This is so ratchet. Okay, guys. Mom, help me. Okay, so okay, I got my little bobby pin. So good, cute hair. Okay, let's put one more bobby pin. I think I should put one. So funny. Okay, now I'm gonna put in some bows. These bows. I like these bows. Guys, you wanna see something so funny? Mom, you know what would be so cool? Jazz my hair up with some bows. This will be so cool. So I'm gonna put the one that says Wiss. Wiss me luck. Look guys, it says Wiss and it's sparkling. Let's put it in my hair now. I'm gonna put it right. Okay. I love this one, I love this one, I love this one, I love this one. I'm gonna get this shiny blue bow. I mean, not blue bow. Let's see. What's on the back of my hair? I don't know.
You know what? You should have went to school. You know, remember when it was
Crazy
what?
Hair Day?
Yeah, Crazy Hair Day, Wacky Hair Day. You should have went to school like that.
Yeah!
Oh my goodness.
Bow, Jojo bow. I got a big Jojo bow. Who wants a Jojo bow? Get the Jojo bow. Okay, this Jojo bow's gonna be hard to put in my hair. Oops, it's up there. Oh! Wait, this is not it. It's the back of my head.
Oh my goodness.
This is like.
Are you done?
Yeah. Should I put a headband to see what it looks like if I put a headband?
If you want.
Now how do I look? my god. I don't know what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so crazy. I love it. What's the back of my hair? I can't see with the back of my hair. I can't see it. Okay.